We've got a really nice classic black and white and a little bit of red for this morning. Monday's always great to have new fabrics. I love it. This is a 100% viscose. It's a leopard, charcoal gray and black. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape. Beautiful drape. You can see from the hand of it, it's just really great fabric. It would work for leggings even. It would work for a t-shirt. Now I coupled with it this great black because it's like a texture. It's got a little pebble to it. It's got a great selvage. It has stretch in one direction, so it'd be really great for a pair of yoga pants. And it would have just such great drape. You would just love these pants. Beautiful. And again, everything today is $14.99 for today and tomorrow. This is a satin. It's a white satin. You can see it's just lovely. One side is sheen and one side is matte. Beautiful. This is an Alexander Wang. The tag is still in here. Very beautiful. Just great drape. Great drape. Great density in this fabric so that it will really do well with no matter what you decide. And I put it in because of the little triangular dot that we have here. This is 100% viscose. It's a woven. Again, great drape. We know that viscose has great drape. Beautiful little combination of a little dot and the solid. And then this is 100% cotton. It's a black knit, but stretch in both directions. So people have been asking, they want a black knit for stretch in both directions. This would be great for either a pair of yoga pants, a new fresh pair of leggings for summer, or anything. A dress, be a great little black basic dress. Again, $14.99, 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. This is Monse. Monse, as we know, is just real high quality, M-O-N-S-E. This is 100% cotton, has stretch in both directions. It's a red and a black. It's an orange red. Beautiful. Just really beautiful. Just lovely fabrics. It's just so much fun to bring them to you. So the goal, $14.99 today and tomorrow, is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.